P1.2 and send it to P1.7. Please see this is the program, very important, most repeated question in your government examinations. So P1.2 to 1.7. Why sir, if you ask, the same port they are making one bit as input port pin and another pin as an output pin. It is feasible in 8051. If you use this in 8086 or 8085, it is not feasible. So this type of programming is feasible in 8051. So they have illustrated that capability in this particular program. So P1.2 is acting as a input pin, getting a data, a single bit, and sending it to P1.7. Simultaneously, write an interrupt program which will do the following. A serial interrupt service routine will be receiving the data from PC and display it on P2 ports. This has to be done. This is the task what we are doing. So what we have done is ORG008 LJump main, ORG23H LJump serial, ORG0030H. Okay. So why sir this? Because 23H is for serial communication. Serial communication program cannot be written within the allotted space. So what we are going to do? We are going to use LJump serial and we are going to bring to some other physical location, and there we are going to write the program for serial communication. So in the main program, what we have to do? The main program we are going to have some feature and the subroutine we are going to have. So in the LJump serial, first we are writing the program for LJump serial. So serial programming and which starts from 0023. Similarly, main program will start at 0030. Main program. Okay. So label LJump main will come here. So what we have to do here is we are going to configure the pin as an input pin. Which pin has to be configured? P1.2. Therefore, we are using set bit P1.2. So this makes that particular pin as an input pin. After making the pin as an input pin, now we are going to have timer. What is the need of this timer? If you ask for serial communication, we are going to have this timer. Okay. So timer TMOD 20S timer 1 in mode 2 we are going to use. After this, we are going to set the baud rate. As per the question, the baud rate they have not mentioned, so you can use any baud rate according to your best. Okay. So they have tried here with 9600 baud rate. So for 9600, you have to refer the calculation, you have to do the calculation, and you have to prove that it is -3. Okay. So -3 is being loaded here, TH1 is being loaded. Then SCON 50H, you have to draw the controller format, you have to show that 50H, why it is 50H. Okay, 50H is being loaded to SCON, and then IE register is being set, enabling all global interrupts and serial interrupt has been enabled. After this, we are starting the timer, set with the TR1, starting the timer. So what we are going to do in the main program is, we are collecting a data from P1.2, it has been transferred to carry, and from carry flag, it is being transferred to P1.7. Okay. So why we are using carry flag? Because accumulator is a 8-bit register. We are going to take only 1 bit. So it doesn't require accumulator. So this is also one special feature of 8051 which is not available in 8086 or 8085. Okay. So bit can be accessed through carry flag. So carry flag can access the bit and the information has been retrieved from that particular pin and it has been retransferred to P1.7. So this is the main program. This has to be repeated continuously. And then in the serial subroutine, LJump serial we are given serial. So what we have to do? We have to check for transit interrupt is occurring or not. TI is being set or not. If TI is set, what we are going to do? The content of SBUF is being loaded in accumulator and this has to be transferred to port 2. So for display. So port 2, accumulator content is to be transferred to port 2. Clear the RI. Why we are clearing the RI? So we have to retransfer it again and again. So we are clearing it. And then return I we are using. Transmit, clear TI, return I. So this has to be default done. Both the interrupts have to be cleared for avoiding confusions. Okay, and here.